Hi everyone, RANA SIR is here. Welcome to our RANA SIR educational channel. Today I will talk on a topic whose name is work. It is also called in Hindi that is karya. But in this topic, yesterday I have already discussed its theory with you. Now today I will apply the concept of work in numerical. Therefore you concentrate here from starting to end to understand its concept and also its application in numerical. Therefore I am going to tell you, you like this live video and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students so that they can also update their knowledge on this topic. Simultaneously you subscribe this educational channel more and more. Okay student, now one additional information I am going to tell you and you have to follow it positively, properly and safely. First of all, you have to take one notebook and one pen and then you sit at your location properly, positively and safely to write all informations which are written on the blackboard and also those informations which are spoken by me. Okay, so you concentrate here. I am going to explain the application of work and also this condition, yeah, this concept I will use in numerical. Okay students, so informations which are available on the blackboard I am going to tell you. This is the class 11 physics that is available in English medium and also in Hindi medium. First of all I will explain all data in English medium, that is in English language, and then I will translate all those information into in Hindi, so students who are reading in Hindi medium or students who are reading in UP board, those students can understand its concept clearly. Okay, now it is also based on NCERT pattern. Now one thought I have written, you read and you understand, I follow it positively. Now the topic name is work. So work means karya. So we have to solve some numericals which are based on work. Okay students, so you concentrate here. I am going to write one question. Okay, first of all I am going to draw the one numerical information in the diagram and then I will explain its concept in detail. Okay, now this is a object OBJECT. I am saying this is the object one and it is available at point A. Now here a person who apply a force, that is suppose that 40 newtons is available here. Okay, 40 newton is available. So properly I am going to write here clearly. Okay, so first of all here I will write F which is equal to 40 newton means 40 newton, and with this force that object is moving from this point to this point. I will say the object is same here. So here I will say object 1, OBJECT. This is the object 1. Now this I am taking its center, that is P, and distance between these 2 points I have to write here displacement value, and that displacement value I have to write here. Suppose that 12 meter, its displacement is 12 meter. Now on this object I am moving, that is this object, this force I have applied along this, that is 40 newton. This is working along this direction with angle theta. So here I will say I have drawn here one horizontal line. From this horizontal line the angle is 30 degrees. So we have to find work done in this case. Okay, now here I am erasing this portion and then I am drawing here. Now this is a object and this object is moving with force 40 Newton with angle 30 degree. Now from point A to point B, the displacement from the point A to B is 12 meters. So we have to get work done from point A to B. Object 1 is moving from point A to B. Okay, that information I have to write in the numerical and then I will give its appropriate solution. Okay, now yesterday I have already told with you any object which will move in three directions. First direction can be along the horizontal axis and second is the along a angle theta, that is in upward direction, and third will be downward direction with angle theta. Okay, so this is the condition number 2. So it is moving upward direction with angle theta. Okay, so we will find that angle. So I am going to write its numerical data positively and then I will give its solution. So here I will write numerical number 1. Calculate the work done. CALCULAT. Calculate the work done. Calculate work done when object 1 is moving. Object 1 is moving from point A to the point B. With force 40 Newton with angle 30 degree from the horizontal axis. From the horizontal axis. And it has displacement. It has this PLACEMENT. It has displacement 12 meter between from point A to B. From point A to B. From point A to point B. So these are the informations I have taken from the diagram, because here object 1 is moving from point A to B with angle 30 degree, but force is already applied 40 Newton, and displacement, that object is moving from point A to B. The displacement between A and B is given 12 meters. So we have to find work done between A and B on the object 1. Okay, so all these informations I will also translate into Hindi, so students who are reading in Hindi medium or students who are reading in UP board, those students can understand its concept clearly. Okay, so यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन दिया गया है, उस क्वेश्चन में एक वस्तु है, वो वस्तु का नाम जो होता है 1 लिखे हैं। यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट को हम वस्तु या पिंड के नाम से जानते हैं या कण के नाम से जानेंगे। वो कण बिंदु ए पर रखा गया है, वो बिंदु ए से जो होता है इसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट जो होता है 30 डिग्री पर जो होता है 40 न्यूटन के फोर्स से, बल से जो होता है मूव कर रहा है। मूव करने के बाद से वो पॉइंट बी पर पहुंचता है, लेकिन ए और बी के बीच का जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट को हिंदी में विस्थापन के नाम से जानते हैं, वो विस्थापन दिया गया है, वो 12 मीटर है। तो हमको ए और बी के बीच कितना वर्क डन करना पड़ेगा, उस वर्क डन हम जानते हैं कि इस फोर्स को जो होता है हम रिजॉल्व करेंगे तो एक्स एक्सिस के डायरेक्शन में, हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस के डायरेक्शन में जो होता है F cos theta, F means 40 न्यूटन इंटू cos 30 डिग्री। तो वह हमारा फोर्स होगा हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस के डायरेक्शन में, और उस डायरेक्शन में कितना विस्थापन है उस विस्थापन से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, उसके बाद से सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो हमारा रिजल्ट मिलेगा। ओके स्टूडेंट, आई होप दैट you are understanding all informations clearly because all informations I have written here in the question। इसमें कहा गया है कि एक फोर्स है 40 न्यूटन का जो 30 डिग्री के एंगल पर फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में ऊपर की तो वो मूवमेंट करते हैं, लेकिन जब उसका हम डिस्प्लेसमेंट देखते हैं तो 12 मीटर होता है, और जब 12 मीटर उसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट है ऑलरेडी वो इंफॉर्मेशन जो होता है यहाँ पर रख दिए हैं कि वो 12 मीटर का वो डिस्प्लेसमेंट होता है, लेकिन उस ऑब्जेक्ट को जो होता है 30 डिग्री पर जो होता है हम उसको मूव कराते हैं, अब ऊपर की ओर 30 डिग्री पर हम मूव कराते हैं, तो उस केस में हमें कितना वर्क डन करना पड़ेगा। तो उस वर्क डन को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमने एक फार्मूला अप्लाई किए कि इस फोर्स को हम एक्स हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस के डायरेक्शन में रिजॉल्व करेंगे उस कंपोनेंट को, और वर्टिकल एक्सिस के डायरेक्शन में रिजॉल्व करेंगे। तो हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस के डायरेक्शन में रिजॉल्व किए तो वह एक फोर्स मिलेगा, उस फोर्स और उस डिस्प्लेसमेंट का जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है उस मल्टीप्लिकेशन को हम वर्क डन करते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो वी हैव टू फॉलो इट पॉजिटिवली। ओके, now first of all I will erase all these informations, and after erasing I will give the appropriate solution of the question, so you concentrate here how we have to get its solution. Okay, now first of all I am going to erase here because there is no extra space to write its solution downwards, therefore I am going to erase, and all informations are available in the figure. So first of all I will write here solution, and after writing solution I will write one information, that is given that it is also called in Hindi दिया है। So information I will say F is also given there 40 Newton, and angle theta is given 30 degree, so I have to write there 30 degree, and displacement yes, yeah, D, that is given 12 meter, that is in EM case system. Now in this case I will write work done from point A to B, that will be as work done is W, which is equal to F S cos theta. So value of F is given 40 Newton, theta is given 30 degree, and S is given 12 meter. So all data I will substitute there, and after substituting I will simplify. After simplifying I will get a result, and that will be the answer of my question. Okay, so you concentrate here. Here I am going to put the value of F. The value of F is given in the figure, that is 40 Newton. So here I will put 40 into the value of S, that is given here, yes, 12 meter. Here I will write this is the value of S, means 12 meter is assigned in, yes, this 12 meter is assigned in S. Okay, so value of S I have to put there 12 meter, and then I will put the value of cos theta is 30 degree, so I will put here 30 degree. Okay, now further I will say 40 into 12 into the value of cos 30, that is root 3 divided by 2, root 3 divided by 2. I will further simplify, and after simplifying I will get the value of W, that is the required solution of my question. So you concentrate here to understand each and every concept in detail. So here I am going to write. So in the left hand side I have to write W, but on the right hand side I would put same, that is 40 into 12, that will be, I will write here 480, 40 into 12, that will be 12 for the 48 into 0, 48 into, here I will write root 3 divided by 2. I will divide by 2, 2 on the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 for the 8. So here I will write work done, which is equal to 240 root 3. Its unit is joule. Okay, this is my answer of the given numerical. So positively I will say this is the answer. Now the value of root 3 I can put here. I am going to save here the value of root 3, that is square root of 3, that will be 1.732. So value of root 3 I can put here for getting its final answer in decimal. Okay, so we can also put like this. Okay, 240 into root 3, this is joule, and its other unit will be Newton meter. Or in CS system I can write there 10 to the power 7 erg. Okay, so that is also unit. Okay, so work has two unit. One is the joule or Newton meter, and second is 10 to the power 7 erg. Okay, so each and every student has to know it about the unit of work. The unit of work, there are two. One is in CS system and one is in MK system. In CS system, MK system, I will say that is joule or kg Newton into meter, or in CS I can say that is 10 to the power 7 erg. Okay, so after simplification I can get it. Okay, now this is the required solution of the question, and its diagram is already available here. So all these informations I will translate into Hindi, so student who are reading in Hindi medium, those student can understand its concept clearly. Now here I have taken, यहाँ पे एक ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स वस्तु, एक वस्तु को लिए हैं और इस वस्तु को जो होता है एक फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहा है, उस फोर्स से जो होता है ये ऑब्जेक्ट जो होता है ऊपर की ओर मूव कर रहा है, देखिए हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस से जो होता है 30 डिग्री पर मूव कर रहा है. ओके, जब ये कुछ समय तक ये मूव करने के बाद से जब डिस्प्लेसमेंट जो होता है विस्थापन 12 मीटर होता है, तो उस पॉइंट पे यहाँ पर रुक गया. ओके, तो एक पॉइंट को जहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ उसको ए कहे और जहाँ पर रुक गया उसको बी कहे. तो ए से बी तक ऑब्जेक्ट को पहुंचने में कितना कार्य करना पड़ा है, उस कार्य को निकालने के लिए हम जानते हैं कि यह जो होता मूवमेंट जो होता है एंगल पर हो रहा है, इसलिए वर्क इज इक्वल टू एफ एस इंटू कॉस थीटा होगा. इसको कैसे हम निकालते हैं, हम जानते हैं यह एक फोर्स है. इस फोर्स को जो होता है हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस का मीनिंग ये होता है क्षैतिज दिशा में इसका घटक निकाले, इस फोर्स का, इस बल का क्षैतिज दिशा में घटक निकाले, और इस फोर्स का बल का जो होता है ऊर्ध्वाधर दिशा में हमने इसका कंपोनेंट रिजॉल्व किए. उसके बाद से हम जो होता है उस फोर्स और उस डिस्प्लेसमेंट का जो विस्थापन का गुणनफल होता है वही हम वर्क डन करते हैं, उसी को हम वर्क डन करते हैं. इसलिए हम वर्क डन ऑलरेडी लिखते हैं कि वर्क डन या किया गया कार्य जो होता है W इज इक्वल टू एफ एस इंटू कॉस थीटा होगा. एफ का वैल्यू जो होता है ऑलरेडी डायग्राम में 40 न्यूटन दिया गया है. एस जो होता है वो विस्थापन है, ए और बी के बीच में वह 12 मीटर दिया गया. और यहाँ पर कॉस थीटा का वैल्यू जो होता है 30 डिग्री दिया गया है. अगर 60 डिग्री 45 डिग्री या 0 से लेकर 360 के बीच में कोई भी एंगल होगा, उस एंगल को यहाँ पर कंसीडर करेंगे, रखने के बाद से इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद से जो रिजल्ट मिलेगा दैट विल बी द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, आई होप दैट, मैं आशा करता हूं कि इस क्वेश्चन को इजीली आप समझ गए होंगे और इसका प्रॉपर सॉल्यूशन भी समझ गए होंगे. इसलिए इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर करें अपने कलीग्स के साथ और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ और अपने चाइल्ड के साथ, ताकि उनका भी नॉलेज इस पॉइंट पर अपडेट और डेवलप हो सके. और साथ ही साथ इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करें. और इसमें जो भी पॉइंट आपको समझ में ना आया हो उस पॉइंट को आप कमेंट टाइप करें या लिखें, और लिखने के बाद से पॉजिटिवली सेंड करें, और सेंड करेंगे तो उसके बाद से हम रिसीव करेंगे. रिसीव करने के बाद से उसका एप्रोप्रिएट सॉल्यूशन हम स्टडी करने के बाद से प्रोवाइड करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट, एंड इफ यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑल दीज इंफॉर्मेशंस क्लियरली, सो यू लाइक दिस लाइव वीडियो एंड ऑल्सो यू शेयर दिस लाइव वीडियो with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also improve their knowledge on this topic positively. Okay, so I hope that each and every student who are reading in CBSE board or English medium, those students can understand its concept clearly. Okay, this is very important question, because there are many concept can be involved in particular numerical, and then that question will be in front of you. So each and every topic you have to know to solve the given question. Okay, एक क्वेश्चन अगर दिया जाता है तो उसमें एक से ज्यादा कंसेप्ट जो होता है इन्वॉल्व रहता है। अगर सभी कंसेप्ट को आप इजीली जान रहे हैं तो उसको इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। अगर कोई भी कंसेप्ट आप मिस कर रहे हैं तो उस अगर अदर सोल्यूशन आपको मालूम है, अगर कंसेप्ट मालूम है तो उस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने में प्रॉब्लम होगा। जहां पर जो एक छोटा सा कंसेप्ट है उस कंसेप्ट को अगर आप नहीं जाना है, इसलिए ईच एंड एवरी टॉपिक इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर सॉल्विंग एनी क्वेश्चन बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन हैज मोर देन one concept. Therefore each and every concept you have to know properly. Okay, so this is the required way. Okay, now I will erase this diagram and also its appropriate solution, and then I will take another question and I will solve that question positively, and you concentrate here how we will write that question and how we will evaluate the solution of that question. Okay students, so you concentrate here, and if you have any doubt, yeah, any query related to this topic, so positively you type information about this topic in comment section and then you send. After sending, I will look your comment positively and then I will give the appropriate solution of your question in detail. Okay students, so thank you for watching such type of video. Therefore I am going to erase this one, and after erasing I will write another question and then I will give the appropriate solution of that written question. Okay, so you concentrate here. I am going to erase it, and after erasing I will write another question and then I will give the appropriate solution of that question positively. So here I am going to erase first of all. Now I am going to write first of numerical number 2. In this case I will say find the angle when an object which is moving an angle theta and angle theta from horizontal axis and that has force and that has force 35 Newton and it has displacement it has displacement 2 meter from starting point and work done of that object is 70 joule. 35 joule as shown in the figure. As shown below in the figure. In the figure. As shown below in the figure. Okay, student. So information I have written on the blackboard. Now there is a force, that is FOR CE. There is a force 35 Newton. Now it has displacement 2 meter Newton. 2 meter. It has displacement 2 Newton. But work done is also available 35 joule. So we have to get the angle of that moving object from horizontal axis. That angle we have to calculate. Okay, so its diagram I am going to draw here. Now there is a horizontal plane. So here there is no space, so here I will draw. There is a horizontal plane. Now one object is available here. This is a object. So properly I have to write here object. So this is the object OBJECT object. This is object is 1. Now it is moving horizontally with 35 Newton. So it is given in the question 35 Newton, but it is from the horizontal axis. That angle is theta, and this theta value I have to obtain. But after some time it is moving from this point to that point. So I will say its center is A, and this will have center B. So we have to take the distance, displacement between these two forces is 2 meter. 2 meter. The distance between from point A to B is 2 meter. That is given in the numerical. Okay, so we have to calculate this angle theta. Now this is also object 1. This is also object 1. So this is a object 1 which is moving with force 35 Newton with angle theta, and the distance between point A and point B, that is given 2 meter. That is given 2 meter. So we have to calculate this angle. So we will use the concept of work done, that is moving from point A to B. So I will calculate that question like this. First of all, we have to write here solution. After writing solution, I will write here given that. So information will be given. So that information I have to write here positively. Okay, so first information is force. The value of force that is given 35 Newton. Okay, now displacement is also available 2 meter. So that 2 meter I have to write here positively. So both are in MKS system. So now we have to calculate theta. We have to calculate theta. Okay, and work done is also given in the numerical, that is 35 joule. This is the work done. So I will also write here work done means W, that is given here 35 joule, or in other words we can say that Newton meter. Okay, in CJ system I can say 35 into 10 to the power 7 erg. Okay, so there is no need to write in CJ system because all data are available in MKS system. So I will put same in MKS system. Okay, so above data I will erase, and after erasing I will give its appropriate solution because there is no space, extra space, therefore I will erase it, and after erasing I will give its solution. Okay, so you concentrate here how I will get its angle theta. I know work done which is equal to F into S into cos theta. So I will substitute all parameters. One parameter is W, second parameter is force, and third parameter is displacement, and fourth parameter we have to calculate, that is theta. Theta is also known as angle. Okay, so positively I will erase the above written informations, and after erasing I will use the work done formula for evaluating the angle theta. Okay, so positively I am going to erase it, and after erasing I will evaluate the angle theta positively. Okay, so first of all I am erasing it positively because all informations that are available in the diagram. So I will write according to the question. I will write here AWC or DIMG according to the question. Here I will write according to the question, work done W which is equal to F into S into cos theta. I will say this is the equation number 1. In this equation number 1, I will substitute the value of F and also value of W and S, and then we will simplify. After simplify I will get the value of theta, and that is the requirement of my question. Okay student, so this is very important and easy way to solve the value, how to find the work done and how to find the angle theta. And there are 5 parameters. If any 4 parameter will be given, so remaining parameter you can easily evaluate with this formula, that is parameter 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 parameters, so we have to calculate 4 informations. Only 3 informations will be given at one time, and other information I will evaluate with this formula. So we will substitute all parameters which are given in the numerical. So value of F I have to put 35, value of work done, that is available 35. So here I will put here. After putting here I will put the value of F, that is also given 35 Newton, and the value of S, that is given 2 meter, and then I will put here cos theta. Okay, so after multiplication I will write its value like this. So I will not multiply, simply I will simplify. So here I can write cos theta which is equal to 35 divided by, I will put here 35 into 2. So further I will simplify 35 on 35, 35 on 35. Okay, so below data I will erase, and after erasing I can write like this, cos theta which is equal to 1 divided by 2. Okay, so cos theta which is equal to 1 by 2, therefore I can write theta is equal to cos inverse. Here I will write in the bracket 1 divided by 2. Okay, so positively I have to use that concept. Okay, now this is the required way. With this way I have to evaluate any questions which are given according to this way. Okay, now so all these informations I will also explain in Hindi, so student who are reading in Hindi medium or student who are reading in UP board, those student can understand easily. इस क्वेश्चन में कहा गया था कि एक वस्तु है, वो वस्तु जो होता है 35 न्यूटन के फोर्स से, बल से जो होता है थीटा एंगल को ऊपर की ओर मूव कर रहा है, लेकिन मूव करने के दौरान में इस वस्तु का डिस्प्लेसमेंट जो होता है 2 मीटर होता है। तो उस केस में वर्क डन भी दिया गया है, टोटल वर्क डन कितना हुआ है 35 जूल दिया गया है। तो वो कितने एंगल पर हम उस वस्तु को मूवमेंट कराएंगे कि वर्क डन जो होता है 35 जूल होगा, तो उस एंगल को कैलकुलेट करना है। तो हम जानते हैं कि गिवन दैट पर सबसे पहले जो होता है यहाँ सॉल्यूशन लिखेंगे, सॉल्यूशन लिखने के बाद से गिवन दैट का मतलब दिया है, तो जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन क्वेश्चन में दिए गए प्रॉपर्ली इसे यहाँ पर नोट करेंगे और जो रिक्वायरमेंट हमको चाहिए उससे रिलेटेड जो होता है फार्मूला हम लिखेंगे। लिखने के बाद से सारा डाटा जो नोन है उसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, उसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे। सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद से हमने पाया है cos थीटा विच इज इक्वल टू 1/2। ओके, तो cos थीटा 1/2 जो होता है यह रेडियन में दिया गया, हमको उसको डिग्री में कैलकुलेट करना। ओके स्टूडेंट, सो पॉजिटिवली I will erase it and object after erasing I will evaluate its solution by trigonometrical method. Okay, so here I will say cos theta which is equal to cos theta which is equal to 1/2. Okay, so cos theta which is equal to 1/2. So this diagram I will erase after some time, but I am going to draw. This is the theta axis and this is the y axis. This is the y axis. Here I have written y axis and this is the theta axis. Now this is the origin. Now I have to draw the cos theta function. So cos theta function, it will be maximum at 0 and it will be minimum at pi/2. So its movement will be like this. If its movement will be like this, so its maximum value will be 1 cos theta which is equal to 1 maximum. Its value will be minimum. Its value will be minimum at cos theta which is equal to -1. Means cos theta will exist from -1 to 1. Its movement will be along this way. Okay, so this value is 0 and this value will be pi/2 and here value will be pi and this value will be 3 pi/2. 3 pi/2. So cos theta which is equal to 1/2. It means that a line I will draw here. A line I will draw here. So it will cut the curve at this point. So that value will be a corresponding 0. So this is theta pi/2 and so this will be less than pi/2. So I can write here this will be cos pi/6. That is 30 degree. So here I will write cos theta which is equal to cos pi/3. So theta cancel, cos will cancel out. So here I will put theta is equal to pi/6. It means that I will change it in radian. So it will be 180 degree. 180 degree divided by 6. So 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 30. So I will put its value will be 30 degree. That is in radian. Theta is equal to pi/6. That is radian, but we have to calculate its value in degree. So theta is equal to 30 degrees. So according to this way, I have to evaluate its value. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. This is the concept of mathematics. In trigonometry, I have to explain this information in detail. Okay, so 1/2 that will be maximum to 0 and minimum from 1. It will lie like this. So here I will say this is the line. This is the line for cos theta which is equal to 1/2. Cos theta which is equal to 1/2. So cos theta which is equal to 1/2, I know this is the pi/2 and this is pi. This is 3 pi/2. Similarly, I will say 0. This is minus pi/2 and this will be pi minus pi and this will be minus 3 pi/2. This will be minus pi/2. So it is coming here. So this will be minus pi/6 and this will be plus pi/6. So we have to take its value plus. that is coming in first quadrant, so I will say that is plus 1 by 2. So I have to consider this value. So 1 by 2, that is pi by 6. So cos cancel out, so theta is equal to pi by 6, and this value is available in radian. This value is available in radian, so I have to calculate radian into degree. So pi is also known as 180 degree. So in the place of pi, I have to change into degree. So 180 degree, 180 degree divided by 6, so 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18. So 0 will be there, so I will put there 0. So theta will be 30 degree. So theta will be 30 degree. So object 1 I will push, yeah, I will allow to move at 30 degrees, so its work done will be 35 joule. 35 joule. Okay, student. So I hope that you are understanding this concept clearly. So I will say this is the answer of this question. Okay, I hope that you are understanding this concept clearly. Okay, now further I will also explain the concept about the trigonometric function. There are 6 trigonometric ratios are there. Now each and every trigonometrical ratio I am going to explain one by one. One is the cos theta, second is sin theta, third is cos theta, tan theta, fourth is cot theta, and fifth is sec theta, and sixth is cosec theta. So according to quadrant, I know in first quadrant I will say all trigonometrical ratio will be positive, but in second quadrant I will only consider sin theta and cosec theta will be positive, and other means the remaining trigonometrical ratio will be negative. Similarly, in third quadrant we have to take tan theta and cot theta will be positive and other will be negative, and in fourth quadrant sec and cos theta will be positive and other will be negative. According to the quadrant, I will substitute the value, because this value is lying in first quadrant, so we have to consider here pi by 6 degree, because this is pi by 2 degree. So I will take its value, that is minimum from pi by 2, because pi is 180 degree. I will divide by 2, so I will get 90 degree. So it is minimum than 90 degree and maximum than 0 degree. So its value will be pi by 6 degree, and when I will convert pi into 180 degree after simplification, I will get its value 30 degree. So it is coming in first quadrant. Okay, so this is the required way. According to this way, we have to evaluate the question, evaluate the solution of the question, because this is the numerical which is available in physics, but here trigonometrical concept I am using to evaluate its angle. Okay, student, I hope that you are knowing its concept clearly. Okay, if you have any doubt, so you write your doubt point in the comment section, and then you send, and after sending I will receive, and then I will read your question properly, and then I will give the appropriate solution of your question in detail. And if you are understanding each and every informations in detail, so you like this live video, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can improve their knowledge on this topic, and simultaneously you also subscribe this educational channel more and more. Okay, students, so the concept of work done I have already explained, because work done is very simple. That is the product of force and displacement, that is called work done, and it has 2 units. One unit is MK system, that is joule or Newton meter, or in CS I can say that 10 to the power 7 erg. I am going to explain how 10 to the power 7 erg is coming. Okay, so these informations I will erase, and after erasing I will give its solution. So I am going to erase these informations, and then here I am going to explain how joule is coming into erg. Okay, so each and every person is knowing what work has unit joule, work has unit joule. Now, or in other words, Newton into meter. Okay, so Newton into meter. So I can write joule is equal to Newton into meter. Both are equal. So 1 Newton which is equal to 1 Newton which is equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne. 1 Newton which is equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne, and here I will say into meter. First of all, here I will say 10 to the power 5 dyne into 1 meter. 1 meter I will calculate into centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. I will simplify, and after simplify here I can also write 100 is equal to 10 to the power 2. So here I will write 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 2 into here I will write dyne dyne into centimeter. So dyne into centimeter, that is known as erg. So here I will write 10 to the power 5 plus 2 into erg. Here I will write erg. Erg I can write in Hindi. I can also write that is erg. Okay. Further, here after simplify I can write 10 to the power 7. 5 plus 2 7 erg. In other Hindi word I can write erg. This is the erg. Unit is erg. Okay, student. So 1 joule I can write here 10 to the power 1 joule which is equal to 10 to the power 7 erg. So this is the series system. This is the unit of series system. But in MKS system I had to write its unit will be joule or Newton meter. Okay, students. So you have to remember it, because in series system 1 joule which is equal to 10 to the power 7 erg. This such type of question can be asked in the objective question. So if you will learn it, so you can write 1 joule which is equal to 10 to the power 7 erg. This is important. Okay, now we have to also write its dimensional formula. What is the dimensional formula of work? You have to explain its meaning in detail. Okay, so here I am going to also explain what is the dimensional formula of work. So dimensional formula of work I have to write here, force into displacement. So the unit of force I have to write, that is force can be written as m into a, ma into s. So here m is calculated into kg and a is calculated into mass per second square, and here s is displacement, it unit is meter. So here I can write kg into meter square divided by second square. Okay, this is the MKS formula, that is the MKS unit. This is the MKS unit, that is joule or kg meter square divided by second square. Therefore I have to write its dimensional formula. Its dimensional formula will be as, now dimensional formula is written in big bracket, and in the place of kg I have to put here capital M, and meter is calculated. Meter is the dimension of physical quantity is, that is length. So L square, and here T is, S is given, S is calculated in seconds. So its dimension is T and it is going up direction. So it will be minus T to the power minus 2. So the dimensional formula of work is m L square T power minus 2. So I will say this is the dimensional formula. Dimensional formula This is the dimensional formula. Okay, so work, each concept of work done here I have interpreted with you, that is described with you, and its unit I have already described because it has two units. One is the joule or Newton meter, and second is the erg. So 1 joule, which is equal to 10 to the power 7 erg, I have calculated how we have to find its value. Okay, and now dimensional formula I have written, because I know W is equal to Fs cos theta. Cos theta is a constant value, so it has no, it is dimensionless. So I will write the dimension of force and dimension of distance. So force can be written as force is equal to ma, that is according to Newton's second law of motion. So I will write here F is equal to ma. So m is calculated into kg and a is calculated in meter per second square. Here yes is also known as displacement, and it is calculated in meter. So here I will write kg in meter into meter, that is meter square divided by second square. Now dimension, we have to write here dimension. So I will put there dimension kg, that is that has value m, capital M, and m is calculated. M is the length. M is the unit of length, so its dimension will be L square, and T is calculated in second, so its dimension will be T, and it has power 2, so it will go upside direction, so it will have minus power, so minus 2. So I will say M L square T minus 2, that is the dimensional formula of work. Okay, so you have to remember it positively. Okay, if any question is asked, in that question write the dimension of the work. So what is the dimension formula of the work? So you are knowing formula, so you can derive it, and after deriving you will get same formula. And other, if you remember direct formula, so you can write directly m L square and T to the power minus 2. So you have to follow these concepts to explain the definition of work and also application of work in the numerical. Okay students, so thank you for watching this live video, and if you have any doubt regarding these concepts, so you type your query in the comment section positively, and then you send. After sending, I will look your query, and then properly I will study, and after studying, then I will give the appropriate solution of your question in detail. Okay students, and if you are understanding all these informations clearly, so you like this live video, and also you share these live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also update their knowledge on this topic positively. Okay, and also if you have any doubt, because all informations I have already explained in English, so students who are reading in Hindi English medium, those students can understand its concept clearly. Now I am going to one time also explain all these information into Hindi, so students who are reading Hindi in Hindi medium, those students can understand its concept clearly. तो यहाँ पर कहा गया है कि जब वर्क का मीन्स जो कार्य का मात्रक होता है वो जूल होता है या न्यूटन मीटर होता है, तो हम न्यूटन मीटर या जूल को, न्यूटन मीटर और जूल दोनों बराबर होता है, तो एक जूल बराबर हम लिखे न्यूटन मीटर को हम जब ये सिस्टम लिखते हैं तो एक न्यूटन को हम 10 टू द पावर 5 डाइन लिखते हैं, और जो मीटर होता है मीटर को हम सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करेंगे तो एक मीटर को 100 सेंटीमीटर कहेंगे। जब 100 सेंटीमीटर को 10 टू द पावर 2 भी लिख सकते हैं, और इसको कंबाइन करेंगे तो 10 टू द पावर 7 होगा। और यहाँ पे एक डाइन और एक सेंटीमीटर को हम एक ये सिस्टम में दूसरा नाम अर्ग के नाम से जानते हैं, तो उस अर्ग को 1 जूल इज इक्वल टू 10 टू द पावर 7 अर्ग के नाम से जानेंगे। ओके, तो हमें इस वर्क का दो मात्रक हुआ, इस वर्क का दो मात्रक, एक मात्रक वर्क जूल या न्यूटन मीटर और दूसरा क्या होगा 10 टू द पावर 7 अर्ग होता है। तो ये दोनों मात्रक को हमें रिमेम्बर करके रखना है। अब नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ये होता है कि वर्क का डायमेंशनल क्या होता है, विमीय सूत्र क्या होता है। डायमेंशनल सूत्र का मतलब, डायमेंशनल सूत्र का मतलब होता है, फार्मूला का मतलब विमीय सूत्र। तो विमीय सूत्र को अगर डायरेक्ट याद है तो हम लिख सकते हैं एम एल स्क्वायर टी पर -2 होता है, लेकिन अगर यह याद नहीं है तो फार्मूला हमें याद है तो फार्मूला से हम उसको डिराइव कर सकते हैं। W इज इक्वल टू एफ एस एफ एस होता है, एफ को जो होता है न्यूटन का सेकेंड नियम से लिख सकते हैं, एम इंटू ए। और एस जो होता है वह एक डिस्टेंस होता है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट है, तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट को हम मीटर में कैलकुलेट करते हैं। तो मास एम जो होता है मास होता है, मास को जो होता है हम केजी में कैलकुलेट करते हैं, और एक्सीलरेशन को मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर में कैलकुलेट करेंगे, और यहाँ पर डिस्प्लेसमेंट है मीटर में, इसलिए केजी मीटर स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई सेकेंड स्क्वायर होगा। अब हम इसको बीमी सूत्र लिखेंगे, इस फिजिकल क्वांटिटी का बीमी सूत्र लिखेंगे। तो बीमी सूत्र कैपिटल केजी को कैपिटल एम लिखते हैं, एम को एल लिखते हैं, यहाँ पे स्क्वायर है तो ये स्क्वायर करेंगे। ये इसका डायमेंशन जो होता है टी होता है, ये डाउन साइड में तो प्लस टी होगा, लेकिन अपर जाएगा तो माइनस टी होगा, लेकिन इस पर पावर 2 है तो -2 होगा, इसलिए इसका बीमी सूत्र जो होता है एम एल स्क्वायर टी पर -2 होगा। ओके स्टूडेंट, तो इस तरीके से हम वर्क से रिलेटेड उसके कॉन्सेप्ट को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, उसके मात्रक को भी एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, और मात्रक को एक्सप्लेन करने के साथ साथ उसका बीमी सूत्र भी लिखेंगे। लिखने के बाद से इस कॉन्सेप्ट को जो होता है हम न्यूमेरिकल में भी अप्लाई करके और उसमें जो रिक्वायरमेंट है उस रिक्वायरमेंट को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट, तो इस तरीके से हम वर्क कंसेप्ट को डिफाइन करेंगे और उसका एप्लीकेशन और उसकी डिटेल्स इंफॉर्मेशन को हम वन बाय वन एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। ओके, इफ यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑल दी इंफॉर्मेशंस, so you like this live video and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students so that they can also update and develop their knowledge on this topic. Okay, and simultaneously you also subscribe this educational channel more and more. Okay, if you need to read class 10th 11th and 12th mathematics, so you go in my video channel section and you read playlist section, and properly you will get all data. Those data are available in both medium, that is in English medium and also in Hindi medium. You can prefer and according to preference you can get the language Hindi or English medium, and you can read there properly. And already I have already uploaded physics, class 10th physics, class 11th physics and class 12th physics also. All data are available there. All data are available there. You properly go and you read from there. Okay, if you have any query, so you write query in the comment section positively and then you send, and then I will update your information in detail. Okay, thank you for watching this live video. Always I will meet with you on the same time slot, that is 30 minutes past to 7 o'clock to 30 minutes past to 8 o'clock. During this time interval I can teach class 11 physics and also class 10th mathematics according to the requirement, because already class 10th mathematics chapter number 13 up to from chapter number 1 to chapter number 13 I have already discussed with you, that is already I have taught with you. Okay, now chapter number 14 I will start, but after some chapter completing from the class 11 physics, and then I will continue that those chapters. Okay students, so thank you for watching this live video. I will meet with you on the same time tomorrow. Okay, thank you, Rana sir.